Hi, I'm Charlie Chapman, a developer advocate here at RevenueCat, and I want to show you how to find your app's realized lifetime value per payer using RevenueCat charts. Realized lifetime value per payer is also commonly known as average revenue per paying user, or ARPU, and it's simply a measure of how much revenue you've earned for each paying customer over a specified time period. For example, 1 month realized lifetime value would tell you the average revenue you've earned from your paying customers after the first month since they've made their first purchase in your app. This is a useful metric to understand how much revenue you're able to generate from the customers you've successfully monetized. For freemium apps, it cuts out the noise of your free users, so you can understand the state of your business by looking only at your paying customers. Let's jump into the RevenueCat dashboard, and I'll show you how to find it. Here in the RevenueCat dashboard, if we go up to Charts, and then go down to the Cohort Explorer, here we'll find a table that represents revenue generated by different cohorts. By default, it cohorts by new customers, which means each month will represent customers who first opened the app during that month. You can change this cohort to initial conversions, which will cohort users by when they first made a purchase or started a trial, or new paying customers, which will cohort by when users first made a purchase. Let's do new paying customers. You can also change how far back in time you want the table to go, and also the periods that represent each cohort. Let's leave ours at monthly. Right now, each cell will represent revenue that was generated during this specific period. But you can change that to instead show the realized LTV over that period, which means it will accumulate over time, or the realized LTV per customer, or retained subscriptions. Let's set ours to realized LTV per customer. And then you can change the periods for each column as well. Let's leave ours at monthly. Each row represents a cohort of customers who first made a purchase in your app during that month. So if we look at row number 1, July of 2024 represents the customers who first made a purchase in your app in July of 2024. We can see that there are 3,971 customers who are in this cohort. In the first month since they made a purchase, they generated an average of $45.76. In their second month, they generated $47.08, and so on. So if you're looking for month 1 realized LTV per payer, you simply look in this first column. So our most recent cohort is $51.14. So that's how you find realized LTV per payer in RevenueCat charts.